This saves you time and you don't need to go anywhere else to pay. Just go to Bill Payment Services, find the service you need, enter the amount, and click Confirm. Hey kids, do you know how to use mobile banking safely? Nowadays, many people use mobile banking like ABA, ACLEDA, or Wing. It's really convenient. You can transfer money, pay bills, check balances, and more. But there are also risks. There are scams, fraud, and some people might share their passwords carelessly. Let's see how to use it safely. I will show you with my Wing app, but you can apply these rules to ABA or ACLEDA too. Okay, here are 3 points to keep you safe when using Wing. First, don't share OTP. Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a factory worker who received her salary through Wing money. One day, she received a call saying she had won a big prize. The caller asked her to open Wing and share the OTP to claim the prize. She did that, and the money was gone. Turns out it was a scam. She lost all her salary. So remember, never share your OTP with anyone. It's a secret code that should only be known to you. If someone asks you for your OTP, just hang up. It's not real. You can report this to the police station. So let's go back to the app. When you sign up for Wing, you need to set a password. Make sure to choose a strong one. It's best to use a PIN that's not your birthday, anniversary, or something easy to guess. Remember your password. If you lose it, you may not be able to access your account again. You can change your password later in the settings. Keep your password secret, like your OTP. Don't write it down or share it with anyone. Scammers try different ways to steal passwords. They might call you, send messages, or even trick you into clicking links. So always be careful and protect your password. Next, check your SMS. It's important to check your messages regularly. That way, you can spot any suspicious activity right away. For example, if someone tries to transfer money from your account, you will receive a notification. You can quickly contact the bank to stop the transaction. It's better to be safe than sorry. Now, let's talk about transferring money. You can send money directly from WingPay. Just select the amount, enter the phone number of the recipient, and click Confirm. Make sure you only send money to people you trust. If you want to make a large transfer, it's a good idea to contact the recipient beforehand. Confirm the details to avoid any mistakes. If you accidentally send money to the wrong person, contact Wing Money Support immediately. Explain what happened and they will try to help you. Another cool feature of Wing is paying bills. You can pay for electricity, water, internet, and more. This saves you time and you don't need to go anywhere else to pay. Just go to Bill Payment Services, find the service you need, enter the amount, and click Confirm. After that, you'll get a receipt. Keep it for your records. But wait, before we continue, do you use ABA, ACLEDA, or Wing? Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. We're curious. Okay, now let's move on to another important thing. When you use Wing, you should check your balance regularly. That way, you know how much money you have. You can avoid overspending and stay within your budget. You can check your balance on the main page by clicking View Account Balance. If you notice any unusual activity or if your balance is lower than expected, contact Wing Money Support for help. It's also essential to keep your app up to date. Updates often include security improvements that help protect your account. When you use Wing, make sure to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. When you log in, you'll need to enter both your password and an OTP. Having two-factor authentication makes it much harder for scammers to access your account even if they know your password. You can enable this in the app's security settings. Using a fingerprint to log in is another great security measure. It's a fast and secure way to access your account. Instead of entering a password every time, you can simply tap on the fingerprint sensor. This helps keep your account safe and your transactions secure. To set up a fingerprint, go to the app settings, select Payment and Subscription Services, then register your fingerprint. When you download apps from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, they come from trusted sources, reducing the risk of installing fake apps. However, it's still important to check the app's permissions before installing. Some apps may ask for unnecessary permissions, so review them carefully. If an app asks for permissions that seem unnecessary, it's best to avoid it. To make sure you're using the right Wing version, check for updates regularly. Outdated apps can have security vulnerabilities that scammers might exploit, so keep your app updated to ensure you have the latest security features. You can check for updates in the App Store. If your app is up to date, you can be confident that you're using the secure version. Another way to stay safe is to turn on notifications. Notifications keep you informed about your account activity. For example, you'll get a notification if someone tries to log into your account or transfer money. This helps you spot suspicious activity quickly. To enable notifications, go to the app settings and turn on all notifications. You can choose which type of notifications you want, such as transaction alerts or login attempts. This way, you'll be informed about important activities on your account. To avoid any issues, don't use public computers or networks to access your account. Public Wi-Fi, like the ones at airports or cafes, are not secure. Scammers can easily access your information, including passwords and OTP. So it's best to avoid banking on public networks. Instead, use your own data connection or a secure Wi-Fi network. This keeps your account safe and protects your personal information. If you want to use a computer to access Wing, make sure it's your own and has strong security measures. Don't use someone else's computer unless you fully trust them. If you use a computer other than your own, you cannot guarantee that it's free from malware or other security threats. You might encounter phone calls or messages from unknown numbers. They might pretend to be bank officials asking for your password or OTP. Never share this information. Legitimate banks will never ask for your personal banking details. Stay cautious when receiving such requests and avoid providing any sensitive information. Remember, your online safety is in your hands. By following these simple tips, you can use Wing and other apps securely. Stay vigilant, keep your information private, and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking. All right, kids, that's how to use Wing safely. I hope you learned something new today. Remember, mobile banking is safe as long as you use it wisely. Never share your OTP, use a strong password, and check your SMS regularly. Now you can use Wing confidently. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. It means a lot to us. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We have lots of fun and educational videos for you. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.